Hi everyone, I am Felisa, your host for this video. In this video, I am giving you a brief tour of what I've done to update my home office. I think I did this before, so what I'm going to do is show you all how I would post this space on Instagram or Facebook, also how I'm posting it on YouTube. Then I'm going to show you the reality of the space once I put all the items that I will be using to work in. I'm sure there are some of you all who are home decor influencers and you want your space to look a certain way doing your video presentation, but after you're done with your video, go ahead and you add all your everyday living items in your space. Case in point, like in your master bedroom on your bedside table, you may have your medication and things like that. But in a video, you may take your medication off. It's going to be one of those reality type videos where I show you how I would actually have this space for everyday living. Start with the newest piece in this room, which is my desk. This desk is from Hula La Home, and it's a Baggio's electric standing desk. So I am in love with it. I've been wanting a desk like this like forever, but I didn't like the styles of those electric standing desks. They kind of put me in a mind of like a hospital bedside table. You know those desks that they sell on Amazon and TikTok? They're white and black and they're really thin, and you can probably put them over your bed if you're eating, or something like that. I didn't want that type of desk. I wanted something stylish, elegant, and sophisticated. And when I had a chance to get this desk, I jumped on it. So the desk is actually black, as you can see. It's solid wood. Check it out. It has fluted designs all the way around on the other side. And then it has storage down here at the bottom. You just press here, and then there's 4 drawers with storage in it. And that will help me kind of keep my little area clutter free, with the staples and the pens and papers and, well, no papers are going there, but just the extra little clutter that you will have, sticky pads and stuff like that, that you would have on your desk. And so this is where you would actually run your cards from your laptops and your computer. And so when I actually work, I have a laptop and I have 2 screens. And to me, having all that on your desk, it would kind of look tacky in the video presentation. So I never show my screens on my desk, and I've never have, unless I did one reality video in the past, unless I'm doing like a reality video, because it doesn't look nice and clean with with 2 screens and a laptop on your desk. So let me show you the other key feature. This is not the key feature. These are some storage drawers here. It has 3 drawers here. Let me show you. We have the one here, we have one here, and we have one over there. So the key feature of the desk is that it's electric and it actually rises up, So I have it set to my settings. 29.1 is the lowest setting that it goes to, which is what I like it at when I'm sitting. And then I have the number 2 set to where it'll actually raise up to, like, if I wanted to stand up and work, it actually rises to my height. And I can actually put my walking pad under here. I have like a treadmill, just like a walking pad if I wanted to work out. And I can just stand here. I can stand either on this side of my desk and work if I want to be nosy and see what's going on outside. Or I can stand over here on that side, which is the opposite side of this room is my wash area. And I'm not up to showing that today. So I am in love with my new desk. And I'm going to go ahead. You have to press the button here. Then I'll go ahead and press number 1 so that it can. No, you know what? I think I want to. Do I want to leave it up? No, I want to let it down during the tour. I think I want to let it down during the tour. I'm showing out, right? Oh, let me show you what I have on the desk. This is actually a decorated purse. This is actually a bank. And of course, it's from my most favorite glamorous store on the world, on the earth, which is Zgallerie. I think it was like 15 bucks when I bought it. I think it's on sale for 19 now. I'll have it linked down below. I'm not sure if my coupon code still works. At Zgallerie, we'll try. I'll put it down below so you can try to use that coupon code. This is an awesome candle. This is called a Lifeline candle. You can get it from Amazon. Let me show you something here. Underneath here, it has like a diffuser fragrance in here. And the candle actually shoots out a scent, an aroma. This is kind of like, I think that's a Christmas aroma that I have in there now. It's like fine needles or fine something. But anyway, if you put the top on this, it automatically goes out. And when you take the top off, it comes back on, and then you can actually blow it and it'll go out. If I dock my phone before the video goes out, look how it's putting out that aroma. Can you see the smoke? You probably couldn't see it. So that's what's going on with my desk. And then I have my chair, which is from Wayfair. Then I have my fireplace, which is also from Wayfair. My bookshelf here is actually from Rooms to Go, but you can get it from Wayfair. My vases on the top is from Home Goods. These little items, can you see? These little eucalyptus things here is from Zgallerie. They're on clearance right now. So if you've ever wanted some of these, you can get them now. And try not to blind you here. Let me get a good angle. The bookends are from Zgallerie. These ceramic books are from Zgallerie. My globe down there is from Home Goods. This is from Zgallerie. Now, I've had a lot of this stuff for years, and these are also from Zgallerie. My drapes are from a company called The Hues, and I think they're on Amazon, but I'll place a link down below to the drapes. Let me get a little closer on this side, because over there, it was kind of like blinding y'all with the sun. So yeah, these are some like off-white velvet drapes. I want to change these out. I want some like pleated drapes for in here. I think it'll make the space look a little bit better if I had those pleated drapes. So my sideboard is from Homery. Oh my God, I am in love with this sideboard. This is like a marble top here. This thing is extremely heavy. Let me tell you a story here. So originally I had it over here, and I had my husband to move it over here because I needed some more space in between here, because it's like twice as wide as this here slim fireplace. So I had him to move it over there, and he had to like he had to jack it up and put some rolling wheels on it and roll it over there because it was kind of too heavy to push. And then he was like, you know, you have too much stuff in here. You know, you have too much stuff in here. I'm like, I think it would be too heavy to push rather if I didn't have the stuff in there or not, because it's so solid. So I'll have that link down below. It's super, super cute. So functional. It has a lot of storage. I have extra decor in here, extra decor in here. All this is full of extra decor. And I have some Zgallerie, what are these called? Cloches. These are called jewel canisters. That's what these are. Jewel canisters or jewel cloches or whatever. They're from Zgallerie. I have the tags still on here because I have a bag without taking tags off. But I had these for a while. I need to take that tag off of there. I'll take it off later. You guys are like, yeah, right, Felice. It's going to be on there next year. My auntie, before she passed, she was like, girl, you need to start taking tags off of stuff. So wall art is from either Ross or Home Goods. This beautiful floor vase is from Zgallerie. I'll have that link down below. I think I've already told you that this fireplace is actually from Wayfair. These boxes are from Amazon. I'll have them linked down below. My mirror is actually from TOV. I'll have that link down below. And pan it over on this side. These wall sconces are from Zgallerie. I've had these for quite some time. So I won't be able to link those because they're not available. This wall art is from At Home, not available neither. And my area rug is from Amazon. Love, love, love this area rug. I will have that link down below. And if you missed my previous video, as a matter of fact, if you haven't seen my previous video, go show that video some love, give it some views. My wall paneling, this wall paneling is actually from Amazon. It's a peel and stick paneling, and it took a lot out of my heart for me to put this wall art on top of my paneling, but I wanted it on there. Let me show you if you haven't seen my previous video. I just want to show you how the paneling look without the wall. Without the wall art. So I stuck one of those monkey hooks in here, but I don't know if you can even see the design, how beautiful this paneling is, but I actually did it. Pat myself on the back. Yes, I actually did it all myself. I did all the cutting in and everything. Both sides. I didn't have to really cut in on this side. I had to cut in on the bottom. And when we got over here, on this side over here, I had to cut. And then I also had to cut. This was a little hard to cut over here, but I did it because I had to cut this to fit, if you can see this and that. And then it had some little edges, ridges on the side. But other than that, I think I did a great job. If you want to do a little update in your space and you don't want to paint, you want something that you can take off, or if you're in an apartment, this paneling, peel and stick paneling is renter friendly. I did put some glue on a couple of mine because it kept coming off. Maybe I didn't wash the wall as well as good enough before I put them on there. It was over on that side. I put a little glue, wall glue, on a couple of them, but all these over here are just peel and stick. There's maybe 2 over there that I put the glue on. So yes, this is what I've done to my home office, and I have not talked about my chandelier. I forgot where this chandelier came from. It was gifted to me. I will leave the link down below to the chandelier, but this chandelier is so beautiful. Look at the crystals here. And I like that it has that white light. So at night, it still looks nice and bright in here. This chandelier is so beautiful. And it actually comes, I know it comes in silver. I may have seen it in black, but I am in love with this gold. Okay, loves, I think this video is around about 14-15 minutes. And I'm probably going to go ahead and end it now. And I'll come in another video and show you the reality of my home office when I do my fall tour. That's what I'll do. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.